Good morning to one and all. Next topic is surface area of a right circular cylinder. Okay, consider a right circular cylinder and suppose its radius is r and the height is h. Then what is the CSA of this cylinder? CSA of this cylinder. CSA of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. CSA meaning what is that? The curved surface area. So curved surface area of the cylinder. What is that? 2 pi r h. So where 2 pi r, what is that? If you cut a cylinder, you will get a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And for the rectangle, we know that the area, what is that? Length into breadth, isn't it? So here the length become this curved portion, it become length. And we know that the length of the circle, what is that? 2 pi r. And breadth become the height of the cylinder. So that's why the curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h. And if you are calculating the total surface area what is that? Curved surface area plus base area and the top area. But we know that the base and the top, it is in the form of a circle. And for one circle, we know what is area? Pi r square. So the total surface area, what is that? Curved surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 area of circle. What is that? 2 pi r square. And we know that from the first and second term 2 pi r we can take it outside. So 2 pi r into h plus r, that is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so in this topic we have to study CSA of the cylinder. CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h, and the total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay, after that we can discuss our exercise 13.2, the first question. Okay, what is the first question? First question, the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. What is that? The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height. So height is given. So what is given? Given height. What is the height? Height equal to 14 centimeter. And also it is given that the curved surface area. Curved surface area, what is that? CSA. CSA, it is given that 88 centimeter square. Okay, but we know CSA formula. What is that? 2 pi r h. What is the value of pi? 2 into 22 by 7. R it is not given, but h it is given. H, what is that? 14 is equal to, what is the CSA? 88. Okay, and we know that what is you have to calculate? Find the diameter of the base. So here 7 and 14 we can cancel. Okay, so what is remaining? 2 into 22 into r into 2, that is equal to 88. Actually, what is you have to calculate? The diameter. Diameter meaning 2r. 2r you have to calculate. So other numbers you can transpose to right side. So what is the next step? 2r is equal to 88 by, what is 2 into 22? 2 into 22, what is that? It is 44. When you transpose 44 to right side, it becomes divided by 44. So what is the answer? 44. 88 by 44, what is the answer? It is equal to 2. So what is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. Diameter meaning the double of radius. So diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. Is it okay? Moving to our second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. So height, it is given that 1 meter. 1 meter we can convert into centimeter. It is 100 centimeter. And the base diameter, it is 140. Diameter is 140 centimeter. Diameter, if diameter is 140 centimeter, what will be the radius? So therefore radius, what is that? Radius is half of the diameter. What is that? 70. Okay. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Okay. Since it is a closed cylindrical tank, what is the meaning of closed cylindrical? There are two types of cylinder, open cylindrical tank and a closed cylindrical tank. In the case of closed cylindrical tank, what is you have to calculate? The total surface area, isn't it? Total surface area. Total surface area, what is that? CSA plus base area plus top area. Okay, so in this case you have to calculate total surface area. What is the question? How many square meters of sheet are required for the same? So TSA you have to calculate. One formula it is the, what is that? 2 pi r into h plus r. It's a direct question. So just substitute 2 into pi value, what is that? 22 by 7. Radius 70. H plus R. H 100 plus 70. Okay. Once again I am writing 2 into 22 by 7 into 70 into 100 plus 70. What is the answer? 170. Okay. 7 and 70 we can cancel how many times? Okay, so remaining you should multiply, so you will get 2 into 22 into 10 into 170. Calculate 2 into 22, what is the answer? That is 44. 44 into 10, 440. 440 into 170. What is that? 170, you will get 748. Unit, what is that? It is centimeter square. Okay. Moving to our third question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its three sub-questions are the first question, inner curved surface area. Second one, outer curved surface area. And the third question, total surface area. Okay. So here it is a metal pipe of 77 centimeter long. Length it is given. Okay, length meaning in the case of cylinder, length meaning actually what is that? It is its height. So height it is given that 77 centimeter. Okay. Height it is given 77 centimeter. And the inner diameter and the outer diameter it is given. Why? Since it is a pipe, it is open cylinder. Pipe meaning what is that? It is an open cylinder. But inner diameter and outer diameter it is given meaning what is that? The pipe has some thickness. Okay. The pipe has some thickness. Like this. Okay, and here the diameter it is given. So we can take the external or outer diameter we can take as R1. Diameter, what is the outer diameter is 4.4. So what will be the outer radius? 4.4 by 2. What is that? It is 2.2 centimeter. And we can take the inner diameter as inner radius as R2. In the question it is given that inner diameter 4 centimeter. So what will be the inner radius? It is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, the outer radius 2.2 centimeter and the inner radius 2 centimeter. Okay, now we can move to our sub question. The first question, what is that? Find inner curved surface area. Okay, the first question, what is the inner curved surface area? So first you write down inner curved surface area meaning CSA. The formula is same. What is that? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. So one problem here, R. This R should be the inner radius. That is the only difference. So the next step, what is that? 2 into pi value 22 by 7. And what is the inner radius? Inner radius is 2 into height. Height meaning the length of the pipe it is given. What is that? It is equal to 77. So what is the answer? 7 and 77 we can cancel. So it becomes 2 into 22 into 2 into 11. So if you multiply, you will get 968, and the unit, it is given in centimeter. So its unit is centimeter square. Okay. Then moving to our second question. Outer curved surface area. Same way, only the difference you have to take the outer radius. So, okay. So, outer curved surface area, the same formula you have to use. What is that? 2 pi r h. So, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. In this case, what is the outer radius? 2.2 into height 77. Again, 7 and 77 we can cancel, and if you multiply the remaining number, 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11, if you multiply all these number, you will get the answer 1064.8 centimeter square. 1064.8 centimeter square. And then after that, what is the third question? Total surface area of this metal pipe. Okay, total surface area of the metal pipe. Okay, what is the formula? We cannot directly apply the formula. Actually, you know what is the formula of TSA? 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. But it is in the case of cylinder without thickness. But here for the metal pipe, thickness is there. So what is the total surface area? Total area is equal to inner curved surface area, inner CSA plus, and then next one, what is the outer CSA plus the base also, it is the base. What is the shape of the base? See, suppose if you observe the base it is in the form of a ring, isn't it? It is in the form of a ring. If you observe the base of this metal pipe, it is in the form of a ring. Ring meaning, how to find out the area of this ring? How to find out the area of the ring? Outer circle area minus inner circle area. That meaning outer circle area minus inner circle area, meaning you have to calculate pi r1 square minus r2 square. Pi r1 square minus r2 square. So this is the area of the ring. How to get outer circle? Outer circle area, what is that? Pi r1 square minus inner circle area, what is that? Pi r2 square. Okay, so there is pi is common, that's why I am taking outside, pi outside. So what is that? Pi into r1 square minus r2 square. Like this, the top area, it is also in the form of a ring. So how many times you have to add? 2 times you have to add. Okay, so what is the total surface area? Inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus 2 pi into r1 square minus r2 square. Already we calculated the inner curved surface area and the outer curved surface area. Next, you have to calculate this portion. That meaning 2 pi into r1 square minus r2 square. So first we can calculate that. What is that? 2 into pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r1 square meaning 2.2 all square minus r2 meaning the inner radius. It is 2 square. So you will get 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 square, you will get 4.84 minus 2 square, it is 4. Next step, what is that? 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.84 minus 4, you will get 0.84. And here 7 and 0.84 we can cancel. How many times? Point in 8 one time, remaining 1 and 14, it become 14, so it become, So multiply 2 into 22 into 0.12. So you will get 5.28. So this is the sum of the area of base and top. Okay. So after that, moving to our third question, what is the total surface area? Therefore, total surface area is equal to inner area. What is the inner area? Already you know 968 plus outer curved surface area, that also you know 1064.8 plus, and what is the top area plus base area already calculated. What is that? 5.28. And if you add all these value, you will get 2038.08 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now our fourth question. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay. Here one roller is there. What is the shape of a roller? The shape of the roller is a cylinder. And its diameter is given. What is the diameter? Diameter is 84. So what is the radius? Radius is the half of that, 84 by 2. It is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. And its length is 120. Length meaning what is that for the cylinder? Length meaning height. Height, it is equal to 120 centimeter. Okay. So it takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Okay. Before that, first you find out the CSA of the roller. Okay. First you find out the CSA of roller. What is the formula? CSA of the roller is equal to 2 pi RH. Isn't it? 2 pi RH. So that is equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Radius 42 into height 120. Okay, 7 and 42 we can cancel, it is 7. So 2 into 22 into 6 into 120, you will get 31,680. Unit, what is that? All the measurements are in centimeter, so it becomes centimeter square. So what is the answer? 31,680 centimeter square. And it is given that it takes 500 revolution to level a playground. So what is the meaning? Therefore, the area of area of the playground is equal to, what is that? Area of playground is equal to 500 into CSA of the roller. Okay, that meaning 500 into, what is the CSA? 31,680. So you will get the final answer, it will be in centimeter square. But in the question, it is given that you should find out the area in meter square. How to convert centimeter square to meter square? In order to convert centimeter square to meter square, you just divide with 10,000. So what is the answer? 1584 meter square. So this is the final answer, 1584 meter square. Okay. Now after that, moving to our fifth question. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Okay. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So per meter square, I mean for 1 meter square the cost it is given. So in order to find out the cost, first you should find out the required area where we are going to paint it. Okay. So here the diameter of the pillar it is given. So what is the radius? Radius equal to 50 by 2. What is 50 by 2? It is 25 centimeter. But you should find out the area in meter square. So better you convert this 25 centimeter into meter square. So it becomes 0.25 meter. Okay, and the height it is already given in meters, so height is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, so first you find out the CSA of the pillar. CSA of the pillar, what is the formula? 2 into pi into r into h. Pi 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 0.25 into h 3.5. Okay, 7 and 3.5 we can cancel, it become 0.7, isn't it? 0.5. Okay, so 2 into 22 into 0.25 into 0.5, you will get 5.5 meter square. So this much area you have to paint it, and it is given that for 1 meter square the cost is 12.50. So what is the cost? Cost of painting is equal to 5.5 into, what is that? 12.50. So if you multiply, you will get rupees 68.75. Okay. So in order to find out the cost of painting, first you find out the area of the pillar. Area of the pillar meaning first you calculate the CSA of the pillar. CSA, you know what is the formula? 2 pi RH. And after finding that, it is given that for 1 meter square it is 12.50 rupees. So for 5.5 meter square, what will be the cost? Cost is equal to 5.5 into 12.50. So what is the cost? Cost is equal to 68.75. Okay. Moving to our sixth question. It's a direct question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meters square, find its height. So what is given? The CSA is given. CSA meaning what is that? 2 pi RH. The CSA it is given that 4.4 meter square, and the radius also it is given. What is the radius? 0.7 meter. So the next step you can substitute the value 2 into the value of pi, you know, 22 by 7, and the radius, what is that? 0.7 into h is equal to 4.4. Okay. So before transposing the numbers to the right side, we can simplify from here itself. What is this? 0.1. So h you have to calculate. So h is equal to 4.4 divided by 2 into 22. What is that? 2 into 22, 44 into 0.1. It is same as 44 by 44 into 1. So what is the final answer? So h is equal to 1 meter. It's a direct question. Okay, so h is equal to, what is that? H is equal to 1 meter. Okay, then seventh question. The inner diameter of a circular well. Well, what is the shape of the well? Well, it is also in the shape of a cylinder. So the diameter it is given. Okay, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Deep meaning the depth it is given, height it is given. Find its inner curved surface area. And the second question, the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay, so here the diameter it is given, that diameter it is given 3.5. So what will be the radius? Radius equal to 3.5 by 2 meter. And height it is given. Height, what is the height? Is 10. Okay. First question, the inner curved surface area. So what is the formula? CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Radius 3.5 divided by 2. H 10. It's very easy. 2 and 2 we can cancel. 7 and 3.5 we can cancel with 0.5. So what is the answer? 22 into 0.5 into 10. So if you multiply, you will get 110 meter square. But you have to calculate the second question. What is that? Calculate the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. That meaning for 1 meter square rupees 40. So for 110 meter square, what will be the cost? The cost of plastering is equal to 110 into 40. So what is the amount? That is equal to rupees 11 into 4, 44, then 2 more 0. Rupees 4,400 and 4,400. Okay. Then moving to our last question. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe. Pipe meaning it is open. Okay. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter. Length 28 meter. And the diameter 5 centimeter. Diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Okay. So height it is given 28 meter. So 28 meter meaning 2800 centimeter. And the diameter it is given 5. Diameter 5 meaning radius 5 by 2 centimeter. Again, you have to calculate the total radiating surface, meaning you have to calculate CSA. CSA, what is the formula? 2 pi RS, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 5 by 2 into H. Okay, this 2 we can cancel. 7 and 2800 we can cancel. What is that? 400. So remaining 22 into 5 into 400. So the answer is 44,000 centimeter square. Suppose if you are writing the answer in meter square, you just divide with 10,000. So what is the answer? 4.4 meter square. Okay.